in the house, ready to dunk, baby.
I told you, you can't run from me, you foul beast! No! With new flexible legs, the yoke girth action figure can ride anything!
Billy Hog's single occupancy microwavable hot dog dinner. No family, no friends, no problems.
You've heard about the cool changes going on at Omnit, but have you seen our new headquarters? It's transparent. Just like our new guidelines for involuntary experiments. No more teenagers. We're also going to renovate BURG.L Park. Just felt like doing something nice.
Breaking news, there's been an explosion at BURG.L Park. Chaos descended on a ceremony commemorating the 2-year anniversary of when 4 teenagers were miniaturized against their will and left to fight for their survival in the backyard of a deranged scientist. Formerly evil company Omnit Practical Technologies was set to dedicate a statue of the 4 teenagers, fast food science robot BURG.L and Dr. Tully, inventor of the revolutionary spacer shrinking technology, when an explosion erupted. The park has been evacuated and sealed off by Omnit. We've received footage from the aftermath of the explosion, which appears to show Dr. Tully assassinating BURG.L. The beloved robot was best known for grilling hamburgers and saving the lives of the 4 teenagers. The motivation for the beheading is unknown. Dr. Tully and the teenagers' current whereabouts are also unknown.
Did I get run over by a truck or something? I can't remember anything. Oh no. No. Omnit better not have pulled the same trick again, or I swear to God. The city park? I knew it! I got miniaturized again! But why? Why? I need to jog my memory. Why would Omnit build a tiny surveillance room in the park? I want to give that entire company a swirly. Hey, they got the news on TV? That's Dr. Tully. Wait. Shoot, he tore off BURG.L's head and shrank himself down. I think I followed him here to get BURG.L's head back.
Scabby 2K. Please keep your arm still as the Scabby 2K's microneedles connect through your blood vessels. I'm Sloan Beaumont, your new boss. I'm so glad to welcome you to the Omnin Park training program. Located here in scenic and dangerous BURG.L Park. You are now tiny, but well-equipped. Congratulations!
Definitely bites harder than the old model. I can't believe I'm letting Omnin tag me again.
I get the importance of secrecy, but truly, what is going on here? The memos are redacted to the point that it looks like a printer error. Even the ceremony preparations are on a strict need-to-know basis. My sense of dread is stronger than usual.
We're doing cutting-edge research, not just in BURG.L Park, but underneath it. The park project takes a use every part of the buffalo approach to the park. When you think of a city park, you think of children playing, a family picnic. But at your new size, the park is actually very dangerous. Be careful. Take inspiration from our Employees of the Month. We honor their memory by working hard to make the world less awful. Your Scabby 2K detected a resource analyzer. You'll find one of these at every ranger outpost in the park.
The ceremony has been canceled due to an explosion. Communication with the other facilities is down. Evacuation protocols have been triggered at all park installations. My professional opinion is that the people in charge royally screwed up once again.
Inside the training dome, you'll learn a crucial survival skill. Crafting!
Learn? I could have made the All-Star team for crafting. Great. Now I'm having flashbacks to Dr. Tully's yard.
You will need a weapon for the next part of the training. You may use it against hostile creatures, but never against your fellow employees. Good. You are now legally armed and potentially dangerous.
I'll show you potential.
When you're ready, press the button to receive an opponent. Your combat skills will be evaluated by a panel of experts.
Bring it on, Omnin.
You survived. Good. Your performance was rated out of 10. Stay calm. An error was detected in the training module. Now calling a network technician.
I'll never catch up to Dr. Tully at this rate. Is that technician calling in?
Hi there. Bad news. I have sustained damage. Please. Hi. BURG.L. Please fix BURG.L. Friendly face cannot abandon. BURG.L.
Hey! You don't get a phone call?
She's crazy. Traumatic experience for BURG.L. I'll need to assist in getting you out of this mess. You go. Please.
Holy crap, that was BURG.L. Who was that with him? An Ominent employee? I'll have to deal with her first if I want to save BURG.L.
This evacuation sucks. The executives got in big, and while the rest of us schlubs have to run for our lives. If they hadn't botched the taming program, we could at least ride away on a bug. If I survive this, I'm changing careers. I'll teach preschool or something.
Now you're park worthy. Time to step out into the wild. To complete the training, get your Omni tool at the Ranger Outpost.
Omni tools. Sounds like it does everything. I want one. It'd be oddly satisfying to dunk a gnat through a basketball hoop. Unkind, but satisfying. Let's see. Not a weapon, but the next best thing. I can't wait to chop things up. Another transmission? BURG.L again? I'll find a way in, because I'm unstoppable. This door isn't doing me any favors. Better find another way. I feel tense. Ooh. Crafting killer weapons and armor might bring me peace. Ah! Gotcha. 3 points for Team Hoops. I was starting to wonder where the bodies were. Omnin always seems to have some skeletons stashed somewhere. Hopping Knights. If my vertical was as high as theirs, I could dunk on Mount Matumbo. Oh, we're on, girl.
Science!
Feels scientific.
God, you're alive. Oh, yes. Oh, I was so worried. Not killing teenagers. It's my whole thing. How are you feeling? Are you injured? I am so relieved. Hoops, your take no prisoners athletic spirit is just what we need in this situation. Listen, I've been actually meaning to apologize in person. I am so sorry for what Director Schmechter did to you and your friends. It was evil. I'm Sloan. I work at Omninent. Oh my gosh, okay, this is embarrassing. But you might recognize me from the commercials. Have you seen our new headquarters? It's transparent. If I had friends, I bet they'd tease me over that. I was brought on as part of the reforms after, well, you know, the dead teenagers. We've just been massacred by an army of insects under the control of some person. The evacuation was not perfect. One of our researchers is missing from this area. What? No, that can't be right. That must be one of the stranger's victims. I am so sorry that you were confronted with the specter of death at such a young age. I'm sorry to ask, but we could really use some help locating her. Hold on, I'm transferring the coordinates to your Scabby 2K. Absolutely. Of course I will help you in return. My team will get right on it. I'll unlock the Ranger Station terminal next to you. You know, you never know what you might run into out there. It might be smart. Get a few upgrades to your OmniTools hardware. You can call me anytime you need my help.
The Ranger Station can help me become mega powerful, so I'm into it.
Science!
Gotcha. 3 points for Team Hoops. Dirt's getting kicked up. There must be a grub nearby. Living underground is for cowards. Let's see. Do ants ever get tired of doing ant stuff? I'd like to meet one that's just up and quit. Girls gotta eat. Gotcha. 3 points for Team Hoops. Well, that omelet lady's not gonna be happy. But we did find her missing staff. Maybe they got an ID card somewhere? Forgot how tiring it was being tiny. How do I set up a lean-to again?
Listen, I am dead tired. I'm dead tired of credit being taken for my work. All these backstabbers in the taming program. Like they don't even care if we succeed in riding insects. They're hiding the eggs so they could steal my hatchery design. Oh, I know it. Well, I can hide my work too. Nobody would think to look here.
That ceremony was a train wreck. Much like everything Ominent touches. Ominent is a mess, but there's some gems in the mess.
thought you might be dead. Have you made contact with our missing researcher? That is so awful. Oh gosh, I will make arrangements with our funerary services. Thank you for letting me know. But let's not dwell on it too much. I saw you recovered data from our domestication program. Listen, I won't bore you with the details, but we ran experiments on insect taming. The installations were set up right near the onboarding facility inside an anthill, in case you'd like to visit. With your help, we might be able to complete this research. I'm sorry, nothing so far. Why not test this new domestication method in the meantime? That's the spirit. Now let's get started. First, you'll have to get this new blueprint from the ranger shop at the terminal. Oh yeah, employees exchange raw science for fun stuff. It's like a game, and everybody wins.
Hatching my own insect and riding it around? We would be a killing machine. I almost feel bad smashing weevils into goo. They've got so much personality, like somebody's old uncle or something. I feel invincible. Let's light 'em up. ready to break up a sweat.